All right, court is calling 2024 CR 00806 and 2024 CR 3222. State of Texas versus April Elizabeth Davila. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Salem.
Defense.
Brenda Levenstein for for Ms. Davila.
And are you Ms. Davila?
Yes.
Possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. And the cause number ending in 3222, you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced. Those are state jail felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have plea bargain agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow those agreements. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered agreement will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And each cause number, the cases are to run concurrently. All right, let me ask you all, what is cause number 2024 PF 11430?
It's a misdemeanor failure to ID in County Court 12.
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas. Yes, that's correct, Judge.
Okay, all right, so that's, and the reason why I ask, because it says 2024 PF, and usually those are the felony cases sent to Judge Nahara, but now I understand why it's running concurrent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and so each cause number is to run concurrent. They're also to run concurrent with 2024 PF 11430. State is taking in consideration 2024 PF 11429, NITMAG number 764428. And again, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that Ms. Davila understands what she needs to do on probation. When she's going to do her best.
All right, how old are you?
40.
All right, why are you stealing?
Well, because didn't have a job and I was trying to support my family.
When you say support your family, who is your family?
It was my husband back then.
So the family you're trying to support is you're trying to support your husband by stealing?
Yes, I was.
All right, and what does he do for a living?
Nothing.
Okay, so why are you trying to support someone who does nothing? So when were you two married?
No, not married. It was common law.
All right, so were you homeless or no?
No,
So where is he?
he lives in Mexico.
Okay. So when you were committing these offenses, was he living here?
No,
So you're stealing.
and going over there to sell it.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No,
Are you a citizen?
yes.
So how are you supporting yourself other than stealing?
Oh, right now, I'm not.
All right, why don't you have employment, or why didn't you have employment?
I just hadn't gotten a job.
I'm sorry, what?
I just hadn't gotten a job, no ID, nothing.
So in all of your life, you never had an ID?
Yes, but in 2014 was the last year I had my ID.
So what happened to your ID?
I got lost and I just never got it renewed.
I mean, it's easy to get an ID.
Yeah.
How are you paying your bills if you don't have an ID?
Well, no, I was living with my sister
Okay.
and she works, so she pays the bills.
So I don't understand what you've been doing with your life. Do you have any children?
No.
So what have you been, how far did you go in school?
9th grade,
And why only ninth grade?
because my dad got sick and I just didn't go back. I stayed home to help take care of him.
All right, and how old is your sister?
2 years older than me.
So why didn't she just stay?
She did.
All right, your story's not really making much sense to the court.
That's my story.
So how often have you been using drugs?
For about 5 years.
And when did you start?
In 2020.
And why did you start using?
Just as I was depressed. My mom had just passed away.
And what did you start using?
heroin.
And how often were you using heroin?
At first, not every day, but it turned into every day.
And how did you support your habit?
By stealing,
And what else?
and that's all. I would steal and sell the stuff.
Who's buying pliers from you?
No, I would use that to cut the alarms off. No one would buy pliers from me.
Okay. All right. Anything else I should know about your client? Then in the cause number ending in 3222, this is what the court will do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. If not accepted, I'm sorry. That's the order I wanted in: felony drug court, then TAP evaluation, MIC evaluation, and we'll do a referral to Esperanza Court as the last one. And if not accepted, then it's going to be inpatient treatment. Ms. Abrams, what inpatient treatment would they recommend? She had been using heroin daily. She needs to be in an inpatient treatment facility.
Say guys or safe.
All right, Safe P. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? What do you want to do with your life?
Have a normal life, like be working, have a car, hopefully an apartment.
All right, so where do you want, what type of job are you looking for?
Well, anywhere that'll hire me.
Okay, well, no, I mean, what's your dream job?
Oh, a nail tech,
Okay,
yes.
all right, it's gonna be 120 hours community service restitution. That will be waived if she completes her GED or she obtains some sort of trade school certification. So if you want to be a nail tech, start working towards that and I'll waive the community service hours. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If you have an issue and you feel as though probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand?
Yes,
All right, good luck to you.
thanks.